Kombaku, we are going to see Lord of Mystery, Old Lil Mysticism class. Episode 8, Part 8.
好学的非凡者们，
our old Lil sounds sad. Fuck.
抱歉，今天的神秘学课程有些沉重。我的老朋友福尔安因非凡失控永远离开了。是的，非凡
Yeah.
者都有失控的风险。我们的先祖们依靠惨痛的教训发现，
Yeah.
如果直接服用高品阶超长
High sequence beyond person directly consume. I wonder that's why they are not just consuming randomly high level sequence potion, even if they have. If one directly consume high level potion,
规的魔药很
directly consume.
容易当场发狂。
Yeah, I wonder that might be a reason, one of the
这是
reason.
其中一种失控。第二种是有些人
Some
天
people
生
are
就
born
有
in
部分
some extraordinary traits.
换句话
Okay.
说，就是他们等于半个序列型
They
的
are
非凡
half of sequence. Okay.
只能选择对应固定的序
They
列
can
途
only
径。
choose corresponding path if they consume potion of the
别的
old.
魔药
Are you serious? This is also dangerous. That's why maybe there are no too many beyonders, even if they have potion. Yeah, I think so.
皆死亡。第三种失控和第二种类似，一旦你选定了序
Once you choose a
列
sequence from
就只
pathway,
能沿着
you can
这个
only
路径
continue
走下
that
去。
pathway.
如果服食了别的路径的魔药，几乎可以肯定的是，处于半疯状态了。
Half crazy state. Now this is important. Now I think wonder. I still think like clan, original clan somehow has some got that power from something. The Grey Folk power, of course. It is not going to be like generic transmigration, merit or cheaters, of course. Grey Fog, he original clan somehow something acquire, and now even if we took the seer pathway and how it is connecting. Someone is making clan choose a seer pathway because of Roselle wanted to be seer pathway and clan finding Roselle diaries. So that's why. I wonder original clan is involved some way, but there's
而
a
这样
small
的机会只有一次。
from here whether you take person of original
这个魔
pathway
药还是现在序
or
列
a sequence portion of current pathway,
都只有
both
失
will
控的
load
一
to
种结果。第
of
四种
course
是最常见的
both will lead to loss of
失控的
control.
一种结果。第四种是最常
One
见的
most
我
common
们服食魔药，获得原本属于超凡物
acquire ability original being belonging to extraordinary beings. Yeah, of course.
或多或少都会受
We would more or less be affected by remnant spiritual power. Okay.
也许
Perhaps
没
the
有症
symptom.
状表现
Yeah,
出来
okay.
但内心肯定有潜藏。
Like old
在
Neil.
完全掌握魔药带来的非凡
Actually consume corresponding portion of her sequence
之力，排除掉那些
before
微妙
fully
和
mastering the
易
beyonder
贸
part
然
bought by
服食
person
更
and
高
eliminating those super
序列的
remains
对应魔药就会累
will
积疯
only accumulate to madness, of course.
狂，累积失控。
So that's why we are going to be. That's why even story like Clan didn't go to Clown potion. He completed the fully digest the potion, then he went there. I think that is also one of the reason. Like he said, it takes so much time. It will take so much time. So that's why even if they have higher level potion of other pathway also, they are not taking it. I mean, last and most common reason of
最后一种也是
Most
常
common
见的失控原因，对非凡者来
for
说，
beyonders.
灵感或多或少都有
Spirit more and less. Okay, along yeah, of course. Voice in my head. Voices in my head. I can see things quite encounter event. Of course, other would never experiment. Mysterious temptation also.
和虚幻
and
中
illusionary incitements, deceptions. Okay,
惑。一旦有了别的什么刺，
was the Horus
会出现
eliminated?
贪婪
Oh,
的欲
greedy
望，
decider.
就会
Of course, that's why in one episode, old Lil say, "Don't be greedy."
一旦有了别的什么刺激，
Remember,
或者出现
he
贪
said
婪的
it.
欲望，那就会
Don't be
一步
greedy.
一步走
Yeah.
向失控。现代职业者体系的创立者
Founder of Narcotics. Who was the founder of Narcotics? Archbishop Chinese. Oh, is his name also Chinese?
查尼斯曾经说过
Okay, his name is
我们
Chinese.
是守护，
Ah,
也是一
the dialogue, of course. What do you call? A Dune. Repeat more and more. I think there is more reason he's not just repeating. There is more reason
查
why
尼
he's
斯曾
repeating
经说过，我们
to
是
remind him himself and not lose control
是
also
一
maybe,
群女
but also bunch of miserable
对抗
wretches
的
that are
危险
constantly
和疯
fighting
狂
against
可怜人
threats and madness. Now there's huge spoiler ahead. I strictly recommend Donghua only, as it spoils not only the part of this season but gives consecrate answer to some speculation as well. Okay, I will of course skip, but the reason I'm saying is why they are giving spoiler if they know Donghua will get Donghua only get spoiled. Maybe because in China almost everyone knows a lot of history. I'll just smooth it here and there. Even if it high level spoiler, I'll just smooth it here and there, okay? Spoot to 13, 18. I will just smooth it there. I just saw God of Forsaken Land of God here, so I will just say it because I saw it. Anyway, something is something, something is something. I wonder is it Hornasis or something? I can't read. I can't literally read anything. So don't worry.
这里，
Yeah.
幸好
嘿
你
嘿嘿
还年轻，
Yeah.
有大把的时间可以
Of
自
course.
己去探索。
I'm glad.
好啦，今天的神秘学课堂就到这里了，你们慢慢消化
Yeah.
和巩固
Please
吧。
digest and consolidate everything slowly.
下节课
啊
同一时间，我
See you in the next class at the
再
same
见
time.
话
Oh,
下
see,
节
they are
课
even
同
getting
一时
special
间
effect and
我们
stuff.
再见。
This is so sad, yeah. Our old Neil is sad. Don't like it. Why is my old Neil sad? Lord of Mystery meme? Is it Clan? Who is he? Who is he? Another character? Anyway, who cares? 256.
环境
Oh, I didn't look it. Don't worry, I don't look it. I will not also look it in what do you call it? Fuck. What do you call it? Editing. I will try to. Of course I will not look it. Only yeah. No man. That's so the last flog something flog. Forsaken Land of Gods. Of course. Of course, I'm not gonna read this. Massive spoiler for no reason. His voice is heavy immediately. Yeah, this is so sad. I agree. This is getting too sad. Fortunately, you're still long. Novel readers know the weight behind those words. I don't know. Today we are mourning. Thank you, despite your loss. By the way, thanks for speed translation. That part people watch knowledge now they edited it there. They are not going warning that some part content so much better to watch it here. Yeah. I agree. But anyway, we got about stuff about the people losing control, and here is spoiler about Forsaken Land of God and stuff. We'll see you in our next class. Bye, Uli. Take care of yourself, brother. That's it for this video. Check other videos, playlist, and channel. That's it. Otspaku.